Hello students, let us see one problem which is asked by my students. Okay, what is the problem is all about, student? They are saying the correct order of increasing solubility in water, right? So solubility in water, student, there are n number of factor are there, and this is the solubility is exceptional. Okay, solubility is the exceptional are there. So many cases you will find that it is having the exceptional order, right? And there are so many regions are also there, right, students? So what we have to do, firstly you see, if lattice increases, okay, if lattice is high then hydration, okay, lattice is high then hydration, so it will be insoluble, is insoluble. That is first case. So in this one they are saying lattice is what? Lattice enthalpy is what? Inversely proportional to radii of cation plus radii of anion. So lattice enthalpy, अब you see student, these two are the smaller, so it is having high lattice enthalpy, so this order is wrong. Okay, LIF is, it is having too much high lattice enthalpy, both are the smaller cation and anion, so it will be the insoluble, student, because of high lattice enthalpy it is insoluble in water, so this order is wrong. Second, here this region for this one, if you see, student, RbHCO3, KHCO3, NaSCO3. For bicarbonate, student, for bicarbonate, what the rule you apply, student? For bicarbonates, you apply that is Phajan rule. Okay, Phajan rule. So what Phajan rule is saying, student? The greater polarization, okay, greater polarization, okay, more covalent character, and more covalent character means lesser solubility in water, polar solvent, later solubility in water, right? So dear student, if you see, if you are taking that is sodium is having more polarization, so it is covalent, so if it is having the covalent, so it will be insoluble in water, so that is okay. Potassium, okay, less soluble. Potassium, if you talk about its larger side, less polarization, it means it will be ionic, so it will be the little more soluble than sodium. And rubidium, it is having least solubility, it will be the ionic compound, so the least covalent character, lesser covalent among the sodium and potassium, it is having lesser covalent, so lesser covalent means more soluble in water, so correct option is what is, student? This one. So we are explaining this on the basis of Phajan rule, because the student, like dissolve like, okay, so that is polar will dissolve in polar, water is polar, so in water that is covalent compound will not dissolve. Which one will dissolve? Ionic. So RbHCO3 is the ionic, but here is according to Phajan rule, sodium is smaller size, so more polarization power, more covalent character, so covalent correct means covalent nature will be there more, so it will be least dissolved in water, so this will be the answers. Now you see, so they are saying the correct order of increasing solubility, so this is our required answer. Here you see K2CO3, Na2CO3, down the group solubility of carbonate increases, solubility of carbonates increases, okay. In last paper, student, that is on Sunday paper, this was the wrong question they have given, but down the group solubility is increases, student. So what will be the solubility? Other, solubility Li2CO3, then we are having, this is increasing now, then we are having Na2CO3 and K2CO3, so down the group it is increasing, okay. So this is also the, we can explain this one, student, according to Phajan rule, okay, Phajan rule, because they are saying that is in the water, student, so this is the covalent nature will be there, so how you can dissolve in the water? It will not dissolve, and even though it is having the high lattice enthalpy, so also it will not dissolve. There are two reasons are there, so this order is wrong, student. Last one you see, that is lithium nitrate, sodium nitrates, potassium nitrate, this is also the wrong order, student. Solubility for the nitrate ion is, okay, this will be the order, student, okay. Solubility for the lithium nitrate, sodium nitrate, potassium nitrate will be the this order, okay. So this all are the wrong, students. This is also wrong. Our required answer is option number B. Thank you so much for watching, friends.